Hey, don't forget about our culture class on August 17th and 18th. Whether you're looking for a culture fix or how to take the first steps in creating the culture you want in your shop, we can help. Our workshop covers better communication, motivating your team, and best practices when it comes to team building, plus a whole lot more, making it perfect for auto shop owners or their managers. Like we've said before, culture isn't just about having fun, although Nerf wars can be a pretty awesome team building activity. In fact, use promo code NERF to join us on August 17th and 18th, where we can show you how to create an environment that your team not only wants to be a part of, but one that fosters growth and success in your shop. Click below to register now, and thanks for watching The Institute, where we believe in a better business, a better life, and a better industry.